What does he do? What does Dad do? Tell me. No. My phone fell on the floor. Yes, it did. My neck hurts. So what does Dad do? Does he snore? Is that all he does?
For a minute, for a night, and then like a minute, and then he does it again.
You're
See, you were recording.
oh my god. I wasn't. Jeez.